Hello my lovely viewers, hello and welcome for another video with me. I'm Yuli and I welcome you all on my channel Yuli Hobbies. In today's video, as the title say, I decided to take you with me, along with me when I'm doing my food shopping in a supermarket. We are going to do food shopping in a supermarket. A big dream of mine is that one day I will have my own big garden where I grow my own vegetables, fruits, legumes. I do grow some now in my own garden, but not as much as I would like to. In the meantime, we are doing food shopping together. First time doing it. First thing first that I like to take with me when I'm doing food shopping is my own bags. I have foldable bags. They are very compact and very strong, and you can fold them and then they don't occupy that much space in your own bag, and that's the first thing that I like the most, and they are very easy to take them with me when I'm doing food shopping. Also I have small bags as well that are with a string and you can pull them. In this one I like to put the small vegetables, loose vegetables or fruits as well, washable as well, and a wallet. We need a wallet because nobody gives us food for free. And also I like to have a list with the items that I like to buy, old-fashioned pencil and paper and everything written down. And I think that's all you need to know. So let's go food shopping together. Are you ready, baby? Okay, let's go, baby.
Bine ați venit la o nouă zi frumoasă din viața noastră!
Caution, moving conveyor, please take care.
My favorite bread for wraps. That's whole wheat, and this is durum wheat. Okay, how many? We eat a lot of bread. We are Romanians. We eat a lot of bread, of course. All the food that we are buying is vegan and plant-based. We bought everything that was on the list, everything is check, but we forgot toilet paper. Last thing that we are buying, and then we are going home. Toilet paper. Family pack. And done. fresh bread? Fresh bread, I can't resist fresh bread, so we are done with the food shopping. We are back home and now it's time to cook lunch. It's lunchtime and we are all very hungry. I hope you like this video. I hope you like it to come and do the food shopping with me. Let me know in the comments what you think about this format. Would you like to see more of this video? And did you watch my last video, my last hike? I really enjoyed that. It was very good, very intense, good for my body, good for my mind as well. Long-term investment in my body, as I said. And until the next time, look after yourself, look after your family, call somebody and tell them that you love them. We all need that. We all need more love. We all need to spread more love into the world and around us. And until the next time, bye bye.